Welcome back to BLO theme once again. Here in this video we are going to be talking about the header of the BLO theme. The header of the home for is quite a bit different from the other home. So including that home for, that different home, I'm going to be talking about how you can change the logo, this header top and this icon. I'll also show you how you can work with the off canvas. I don't want to hold you up anymore, let's get into it. Now there is two ways to work with the header. The first one is Elements Kit header footer and the second one is from your customization. Alright, now log into your website, then go to your dashboard. After that, from Appearance, go to Customize. Now you have to go Theme Settings, then Header Settings, and then you'll find the header builder is enabled. The very next option is the Style option. From here you can select the available style you want. As an example, I want to show the style 10. And then you can see this style 10 is activated. Alright, now if you want to change any content of the header, on that time you have to click Edit Content here. But before that, I want to show you the default header, because in default header I'll have so many options to show you. So let's go to the default one, which is the header transparent one. Click Publish, then go to Header Edit. After that, you'll end up to the header template. And here you'll find all the content of the header. Alright, the problem you can see here is that the header is not visible because of the background color is completely white. So that's the reason. To make the header visible, I have to go to the section, click on the sections, then go to style and change the background. Alright, now if you want to change this logo, click on the logo and in the left side you'll find the control from where you have to choose a logo. If you click here, you can select the logo from your existing library or you can select from your computer. After that, you have to click Insert Media. After changing the logo, you might need to change its weight and you also need to change the link of the logo. On that time, in the bottom you'll find the link option. From here you can select any home you want. Right now it's selected to home. That means the default one, the very first one, but you can put any link here. Now if you want to work with the width of this logo, on that time you have to go Style and there you'll find the control to work with the width of this logo. You can also work with the height of the logo, the max width, and you can also work with the filter and the opacity. Now what if you need to work with the logo in the mobile version? On that time, you have to select the mobile version from here or the tablet version, whatever you want. I'm selecting the mobile version. And from here you can increase and decrease the logo size. This logo size will be only applied for the mobile version because I'm changing into the mobile version. But in the desktop version, you can change to another size. After that, let's talk about the header top. In the header top, if you click here, in the left side you'll find the option of the icon list. The first item is the email. Right now it's a dummy email, but you can put any sort of email you want, then the email logo and your actual email. After that, if you go to the location, the same way you have to put your location and an icon. Now let's talk about the social icons. If you click here, in the left side you'll have the items where we have added a social icon. Like the first one is the Facebook. If you open this up, then you have the icon box. From here you can select the icon. Then you have the Twitter, Google Plus and Instagram. If you want to change any of them, just simply open this up and choose your logo. Then choose your label and your social link. If you want to work with the hover color of the social icon or any colors, on that time in the bottom you have the color option, background option, and the color option on hover and the background option on the hover. There you'll also find the text shadow and the box shadow. If you want to add a new social icon, click Add Item, or if you want to delete any of them, click this cross button. Now there is an interesting thing that I want to show you. If you go to the mobile version and hide this panel, you won't find this header top. The reason you won't find this header top because in the mobile version it doesn't look suitable. So what you can do if you want to enable that one in your mobile version, open this up. Right click here, then open the navigator. After that, you need to go the inner section under the column, click here, go to advanced, then click responsive. And there you'll find in the visibility option, this header top is disabled only for the mobile version. Now enable it, it's now available for your mobile version. Now I don't want to open it, so I'm making it hidden, update, and going back to the desktop version again. Now what if you need to work with these numbers? On that time, click on the number. In the left side you have the option to choose an icon or image. Then you have the title option and the mobile number. You need to change your mobile number in two places. The first one is here and the second one is under Read More. Open it Then open the global link, and in here you need to change your mobile number. But before that, you have to write del : then your mobile number. Now click on the off canvas. In the right side, you'll find some demo of the off canvas. In order to edit it, click this little icon. This is the off canvas template. If you want to change the logo, similarly click on the logo, and in the left side you'll find all the options to work with the logo. Then you have about us text and the button. Now in every button of the website, you'll find a box where you have to put the text. Then you have the URL. You can put any link here. After that, if you go to style, there you'll find the option to work with the weight, padding, text shadow, normal color, background color, and the color on hover. You'll find the similar settings in all the buttons of your theme. Right now, I want to increase the padding tab to 1 pixel more, and after that, clicking update. Make sure you click update after your changes. Now there is another way to access this header template, which is from the Elements Kit header footer. Now go to your dashboard. From Elements Kit, go to header footer. After that, in the top, you'll find all, header and footer. Click on header. On that time, in the left side, only the header you can see. Right now, all the headers are inactivated. If you want to use any of them, as an example, header transparent 1, we have already learned about it. As an example, I want to use it. On that time, you have to click edit. Then you'll find the type. From the type, you can select header or footer. In the condition box, you have entire site, singular, and markup pages. If you select entire site, from that time this header will be applied for all the pages of your website. If you select singular, on that time you'll have another box. From here you can select all singulars, front page, all posts, selective singulars. Now if you go to the selective singulars, on that time you can specifically select any page for this header. Right now it's selected the home page because this header is suitable for the home 1, so I'm keeping as it is. But you can change it to another home. Like you can also include the home 10 and some other homes. After that, make sure you open this activation, then save changes. After you do it, click edit content. And then you'll find the same header template that you have already seen. But right now, I want to remove the background color. Again, clicking this section, style, from the background color, I'll remove it. After that, I need to update it. Now it's time to talk about the header. Now it's time to talk about the home 4. In the home 4, you'll find the header is in vertical mode in the left side as a sidebar, and beside that you'll find the transparent header in the top of your page. For the home 4, the transparent header is not needed, so we have to disable this one. In order to do it, go to your dashboard, click header footer once again, click header and find the header 4. Click edit, and simply you have to choose the home 4 and click active. This header 4 style is completely empty. That's the reason when I choose it for the home 4, I'll have an empty header in the top. Now let's go to the home 4 once again and refresh it. Now if you notice the home 4 top, this one is completely empty because we have selected an empty header. Now let's talk about the default header for home 4. If you want to customize this one, you have to click customize, then go to menus, and there you'll have the option to work with the menu, like the subheader menu and the mega menu. Now what if you need to change the logo of this header? What do you have to do? Go back, go to theme settings, then optional settings. And from here you can select your logo. The logo I have selected is for the testing purpose. After you select your own logo, click publish. Then click the cross icon. Then again if you find the transparent header at the top of your page, then go to your dashboard, again header footer. After that, go to the header 4 style once again. Just click active and save it. Now go to home 4 once again and refresh it. So this is how you can work with the header of the BLO theme. Thank you for watching this video.